Every year in our world, the plastic generation is growing in an alarming rate. According to the studies done by scientists, which says around 380 million tons plastic are being generated every year. Causes of plastic pollution. Plain old trash. Plastic is everywhere, even on those items you may not expect it to be. Milk cartons are lined with plastic, water bottles are handed out everywhere. And some products may even contain tiny plastic beads. Every time one of these items get thrown away or washed down a sink, the toxic pollutants have more of a chance to enter the environment. Plastic is overused. As plastic is less expensive, it is one of the most widely available and overused items in the world today. When disposed of, it does not decompose easily and pollutes the land and air nearby when burned in the open air. Disposing of plastic and garbage. This may sound a bit confusing, but because plastic is meant to last, it's nearly impossible to break down. Burning plastic is incredibly toxic and can lead to harmful atmospheric conditions and deadly illness. Therefore, if it is in a landfill, it will never stop releasing toxins in that area. Effect of plastic pollution. 99% of plastic causes climate change. Marine animals are under threat. 1 million seabirds die every year. The plastic we use once ultimately affects us. We are eating plastic. 1/4 of fish have plastic in their gut. We are drinking plastic as 83% of the tap water samples contain plastic. We are breathing plastic. Microplastics are linked to air pollution. Ways to reduce ocean plastic pollution. Reduce your use of single-use plastics. Wherever you live, the easiest and most direct ways that you can get started is by reducing your own use of single-use plastics. Single-use plastics include plastic bags, water bottles, straws, etc., takeout containers, and any other plastic items that are used once and then discarded. Recycling properly. This should go without saying, but when you use single-use plastic that can be recycled, always be sure to recycle them. At present, just 9% of plastic is recycled worldwide. Recycling helps keep plastic out of the ocean and reduce the amount of new plastic in circulation. If you need help finding a place to recycle plastic waste near you, check Earth 911's recycling directory. Participate in a beach or river cleanup. Help remove plastic from the ocean and prevent them from getting there in the first place and participating in or organizing a cleanup of your local beach or waterway. This is one of the most direct and rewarding ways to fight ocean plastic pollution.